Ready to sell mobile load and digital services at your counter? In this video, you will set up your finance module. From the menu, open the mobile load section. This is where you manage your SIMs and digital accounts. Start by adding each SIM network you sell. Add Jazz, Zong, Telenor, and Ufone. For every SIM, enter your load cost. Then enter the sale price you charge the customer. GOF POS calculates your margin for you automatically, so you always know your profit on each load. Next, you can attach packages to a SIM. Packages are the call, text, and data bundles you sell. Add each package so it is ready at the counter. Now let us set up your digital wallet accounts. Add your JazzCash and EasyPaisa accounts. For each account, enter its opening balance. This is the money you currently hold in that wallet. With SIMs, packages, and accounts ready, your setup is complete. You are now ready to sell services at the counter. In the next video, we will sell these services during a sale.